I was sent to take a look at this hood that was reportedly not working, and checked stuff out on the roof. Didn't really find anything too significant. The unit does have a bit of a shake, but other than that, is running fine. Okay, demonstration of the airflow problem we're having here. So you can see paper towel is not being sucked up into the line there. On this side here, it is wanting to straighten out because the hood is actually pulling air good. You can see some spider webs waving like that. So I think the hood is okay, but the problem we're actually having relates more directly to the grates themselves. You can see they actually look really clean. Don't see a lot of problem, but we got this piece of bent wire here. And once you get this wire up into that groove, you can actually see it's full of charred debris. I don't know if you can see that stuff that I'm knocking out, but it's thick in there, big chunks. And you just can't see it at a glance, but where those pieces, you know, curve around like this, they create a tight space like this for the air to go through. That's very hidden from your view, so it eventually plugs up. That's what we're seeing here. So with this hooked wire kind of able to get up in there, actually scrape some of that stuff out, but these need to be either cleaned out really well or they need to be replaced because they're really plugged. A lot more plugged than you realize just at first glance. They're probably 80% blocked with that black crust that I'm getting out of there. You can see here they have some clean ones, and let me just show you. So I'm just going to hook this up in here. That's what we're getting out. This is in a perfectly clean one. So that's the problem there. They're totally restricted. They're totally garbage. So yeah, they look clean, but they're plugged, totally plugged. So just about got this one, the clean one, done here. You can see it's just a surprising amount of stuff in there. It's the old adage about looks can be deceiving. Very true. And there's a lot of junk in this, but we'll maybe put this one back up and see how the airflow is compared to the other one. So that's how much I got out of the clean one. So if you look at this, I was thinking I should be able to see some light through here. You can see my flashlight going past now. Definitely still could use a little bit more cleaning, like right there it's still kind of blocked. But for the most part now I can see really well. This other one that we only subjected to a little bit of scraping, 100% blocked. Like I'm waving the flashlight right here. I should be able to see it, but it is totally blocked. So a little comparison here again. There's the old one, or the one that hasn't been cleaned yet. It's got some suction, but there's the new one, or the one that I just cleaned. Much better suction. See that? Didn't really. It stayed that time. But this side is so much better airflow.